Hi folks, so I'd like to start learning Prolog, and I just googled a Prolog to see. It does not have any uh, proper web home, but a lot of things come up. So let's see what should be a good way to learn it. So we see the wiki article, and we also see this page. I have seen this earlier, um, but is it really the best method to learn it, right? Let's see. So, at the University of Pennsylvania, this guy has some concise introduction to Prolog. Let's see what does he recommend. Prolog is a logic language and blah blah blah. What does he recommend? How to run Prolog. Where's on your running running Prolog? Blah blah blah. So, is there any distribution that he recommends? Um, I don't think so. First look at Prolog. No, that is clearly not the right thing. Okay. We see the wiki page and let's see the major implementations. Okay. There is this, Eclipse, blah blah. This is that SWI Prolog thing. Okay, let's see its pros and cons. And there is this GNU Prolog. This should be good. Let's see GNU Prolog. Things like GNU are usually good. Okay, gprolog is a compiler developed by this guy with an interactive debugging environment of Prolog available for Unix, Windows. It also supports extensions of Prolog, parsing using different clause grammars and an operating system interface. The compiler converts the source code into bytecode that can be interpreted by a Warren abstract machine and converts that to. Okay, so let's go on its official website. So this is its official website. GNU Prolog is a free Prolog compiler, accepts this. Performance are very encouraging. Besides the native code, offers a classic interactive interpreter top level, conforms to the ISO standard. All right, so yeah, this looks good. I think we could start using this. Let's see the other wiki page of SWI Prolog as well. It's a free implementation of programming like Prolog, commonly used for teaching and semantic. It has a rich set of blah blah blah. It has been under continuous development since '87. Its main author is this guy. Uh, all right. Okay, so web framework maybe use distributed or several servers. Blah blah. Uh, okay. So which one do we? We have a comparison here. Okay. So let's see the comparison. Okay. So the one that has the most greens should win. Where are our guys? Where is this SW? I think SWI Prolog. All right, so it has yes and lots of things, and let's see the GNU Prolog. GNU Prolog. It also has yes, one, two, what debugger, interactive interpreter, C interface, standalone executable, native OS control, compile code. It does not have native graphics, Unicode, or object orientism. What about SWI? It has native graphics, it has compile code, it has Unicode, it does not have object-oriented support, it has native OS control, this. Okay. So this SWI Prolog seems better to me. Okay, let's install that then. Let's leave the GNU Prolog. Alright, so let's uh, let's uh, let's install it. Alright, so its official website is over here. So let's say, what does it say? SWI Prolog offers a comprehensive free Prolog environment. Since its start in '87, has been driven by the needs of real-world applications, is widely used in research and education. Okay, so what does it have? You can download things. It has documentation. It has tutorials. It has a community, users. This looks like a good thing. Okay, so documentation, manual, packages. Uh, all right, and there are tutorials. Getting started. So let's see the documentation. Let's see the documentation manual. So this document is a reference manual. That means it documents the system, but it does not explain the basics. All right, yeah, that's fine. Okay, a paper describing SWI-Prolog in general. Learn program. Now, okay, all right. Books. So we're not interested in books, right? We want to see a hands-on tutorial or something. Okay. Uh, 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 uh. So there's tons of stuff thrown around here. It's not really well organized. Let's see something else. Manual FAQ. Let's see the FAQ. Okay, let's leave that as well. Let's see the tutorials. A beginner tutorial getting started. Starting SWI-Prolog on Unix. Alright, alternatively, what about on Windows? Okay. After it has been installed on Windows, the following warnings are available. A folder called this containing executables. This is a program this, providing a window for interaction with Prolog. The program this is a version of sort of SWI Prolog that runs in a console window. So we have a GUI and a console. The file extension .pl is associated with the program this. Opening a .pl file will cause this to start. Change directory to the directory in which the file to open resides and load this file. Normal way to start the live.pl file is simply by double clicking this file. Yeah, that's fine. Adding rules from the console. All right. So this is a getting started thing. This looks good. All right, so beginner, learn Prolog now. All right, so there are many learning start, free online version, teaching Prolog. So let's see the facts, rules, and queries. So uh, this just jumps into the learning. Let's leave this. Let's see how to use the debugger of uh, 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 log has a logical. Okay, so this has some tracing details. We'll see that later. All right. Okay, so what else is there? Development tools are here. Okay. Next to your built-in tools, web-based Prolog is there's something called a web-based tool. Wow, what is this? Let's see this. Web-based Prolog. Okay, this. So let's see examples, example programs. This looks like a good thing. All right. Okay, so let's see about this. Here's the first version of a set of exercises for practicing the querying over some Prolog database. So this is just a database, and where is the actual code? Okay. Anyways, so let's see more examples. All right. So this looks like a good thing though. This is hands-on. It has example programs. It has lots of other things. let's say we see Prolog tutorials. This notebook collects Prolog tutorials provided as fresh notebooks. So let's see this. Okay, using dictionaries, it uses the dictionary, the type of the principle. Okay, identifying this is from a dictionary. So this is just specific to one construct, right? Okay. So example programs. Let's see more example programs here. Okay. Okay, so this is potentially a good thing. Let's see what other things are available. Alright, so there is advanced stuff, modules, grammars, web applications, semantic web, graphics, machine learning, external connections. There's this community. Okay, there's a mailing list and stuff. Alright, so there is this documentation. We have a manual, packages. So this is not really as structured as I thought it would be, but we'll see. We'll see. Right. Okay. We'll see. Should I be using this? There are a number of reasons why it might be better to choose a commercial or another free Prolog. This comes with no warranties, performance is your first concern. On the other hand, this Prolog offers some facilities that are widely comprehensive support of extensions, nice environment, okay, fast compiler, transparent compiled code, source level debugger, flexibility in threads, interfaces. Alright, let's go ahead and download it then. Let's download it. The stable release is infrequently updated. It is fine for running basic Prolog. The development version is released every 2 to 4 weeks. Okay. Okay, so we go for a stable release. Alright, so Android binaries are also available. We should go for Windows. Windows release notes. Okay, so no, not the release notes. Let's download it first. Okay, so okay, how do I download it for Windows? This is a self-installing executable, requires at least this. It requires at least Windows 7. So what's the difference between this and this? 8241, 32-bit and 64-bit. Okay, what is this? For Mac OS. So yeah, we'll just install this one. Alright, I understand. Download it. Okay. So we install it. Let's see what does it do. Add to the system path for all users. Alright, install it here. Let's see. Let's just install everything. Okay, install it. Okay, so this has been installed. Let's open up a shell. Okay, we open it up again. Prolog. Okay, so let's see how do we, now that page would be good, that we just skipped. Okay, where did it go? The Windows. Okay, documentation. Windows. Let me search its documentation for Windows. Where did it really go? The page that we were just seeing. Wait a minute. Let's Google it up. SWI-Prolog Windows. Okay, so let's see what does this guy say. Yeah, this was it. Check the Windows release notes. Okay, using SWI-Prolog executable as this can be started from start menu. Okay, Swipple. So this is the guy. SWI-Prolog. Okay, so this has let's see the about box. Okay, all right, so what else? There are some settings, GUI preferences. Okay, so let's say I try to do something in it. Okay, so apparently we have this ready, right? This is installed. Okay, so it gets its okay, there is a threads monitor. How many threads are there? Alright, so what else? There is a graphical debugger. Okay, let me switch it off. Okay, so let me just have some fun. Help. What is it really doing? H for help. Okay, H is for help. Alright, so maybe a backtrace. There is nothing in the backtrace. Okay. Okay, so we'll have to start learning it properly. So anyway, I'm now happy to see that it is installed. There was another pure command line of it as well, and that is probably this console, right? Okay, so this is a pure console, and so we help. Let's say debug. Let's see what does it do. Just playing around with it, fooling around. Ah well, I did not. Let's exit. Okay. All right. For now, this is quite enough. We'll explore this further as well in a different video.